Okay, so let's take a look at string manipulation in Mathematica's Wolfram language. So let's see, we create a new notebook. Now let's add some standard Wolfram language input. Right now here, how do we form a string? Usually we type in things like this is string, right? So if I want to join these string, what I can do, let's say if I have string like abcd, right? If I want to join it with another string, I will use greater than and less than symbol, and let's see cdef, then join with another hijk, right? And if I use shift enter, it will join that string. Similarly, there is one more way to do that, which is through string join, right? And we have to pass on first the string, which is, let's say this is, right? So this is one string, and if we want to join this, right? So what we can do is, let's say now if we hit enter, here you see our strings get joined, right? You can also add a bit of space to see if it takes into effect. Let's go ahead. If we add some space, then it will consider that as well, and it will join our string, right? So you get the idea how to use typical notations for joining the string. So basically it's greater than, less than symbol, right? So less than first, then greater than, and then there is another way, which is string join, right? So let's clear this and take a look at another one, which is string length. So string length should be for our string something like, right? I want to calculate length of this string, so if I use shift enter, it should show me the length, right? Similarly, if I want to split this type of string, what I can do is string then split. Now within that, let's say if I want to say something like, right, and let's see how it can split the string. And here you see it has managed to get each word out of it based on the space applied, right? And if you want to take a particular character apart, then you can use string part, right? Then choose this and then use your string, this is DevNami, then use comma, and then let's see if I want to remove something from 5th position, and you see there is nothing because it is space. So if I use 6th and hit shift enter, you see this is the each has I in it, so that's taken out. Now similarly we can go with multiple options as well. So 6, 7, right? And if I try and put in, you see is, which is this position, is taken apart, right? Now let's clear this, select all, then clear, then choose Wolfram language input. Now here let's try and take a few items or characters out of your string. So we use string take drop, right? And let's say a b c d e f g h or g k, right? And which item and the place you want to do, let's say 6th, and we use shift enter, and you see the moment we use it, it will try to add that gap from F and take apart our string, right? Similarly, if you want to drop a particular character, let's say F, to do that what we can do is we use string drop, right, and give it the typical string, right, and then tell it to drop from particular point, right, and then we hit enter, and here see up to 6th position it will drop everything, and from 6th onward it has managed to output the rest of the string, right. Similarly, if you want to take characters in string, you can do so by using string take, and then let's say within that A B C D E F G H, and then 6th, or let's say 4th because this one is short, so shift enter and you get A B C D, and rest of the one are taken out. Now comes some of the string operations, so let's take a look at typical string replace, right. So for string replace what we can do is, let's say if I choose A B C D E F, or let's say A B C, then A B, then B C, then C D E F G, right. Now if I want to replace A B with say X, how to do that? So if we use AB to X, it will replace XC XC DFG, right. So this is the condition we add in, right. So you get the idea how to use typical string replace. Now let's try and add something like sort, right. So sort, so this is our first sort where we choose, let's say A, C, then B, then E, then D, then F, and then I, right. Let's see how it sorts, and here you see A B C D E F G H I, so it gets everything in order. Now comes the another sort where we try to sort it according to upper caps, lower caps. So let's say cat lowers, then cat upper, then let's say fish, then let's say ball, or something like this. So let's see how it sorts that. Here see all caps comes first, and B is considered first, then comes C, which is lowercase, then uppercase, then fish, right. Now let me clear this so that we can view everything from top to bottom here. Now let's come to the sorting of numbers. So let's say 12 to 30, right, and so let's try and get it as a list. So 12 to 30 and then 22, and let's see how it sorts that. You see 2, 12, 22 and 30, it sorts in proper order. Now what if we have some words, right? So let's try and create words, and for that we will call for random choice, and within random choice we will word list, and we can pick anything, choose let's say something within 10, right. We add this and it will try to generate the list of words, right. Now what we will do is we will call for alphabetic sort, right, and then pass on words that we just created. So this is another type of sort that will sort our list of words that we just generated and try to order it based on alphabet. So C A B C D F G H, then I, then direct P R S S. So you get the idea how it is trying to sort. Now let's take a look at one more sort. So here, now let's see for string contains q. So if we want to check whether something is contained within string, we can do AB, then BC, then CD, then let's say EF, right? I want all of this within a list, right? And I want to check whether AB is contained within the list of these strings. If I shift enter, it will tell you first is true, second false, false, false. So if you use a complete sentence and try to find occurrence of two characters, then it will do the same as well. So these are some of the string manipulation things that you can check out.